what's the secret to a pain-free dental visit? It's not the headphones that we give you. It's not the more private treatment rooms. It's not the movie glasses that you could have. It's not even the nitrous oxide or the relaxing gas that we can give you. The real secret to a pain-free dental visit is oral conscious sedation. Now, what does that mean? You take a couple pills an hour before your visit, and when you get to the dental office, you get to sleep through your whole visit. It's great. You have no pain. It's very safe. It's very effective. It works every time, and you'll have a great dental visit. You'll get your work done without any stress, without any pain, without any worries. Oral conscious sedation. It's the way to go.